All right, this is Jesper from yacss. So in this video, I will show you how to connect yacss to GitHub. So first, you need to create an account with GitHub. So you go to github.com and then you sign up and create your account. And it's very easy and it's also free. You just enter your email and sign up for a free account. So let me just sign into my account. Once you have signed up, then you log in, and I have made this tutorial for myself so I can remember all the steps. But you sign into GitHub, and then you start by clicking on the profile icon in upper right corner, and you start by copying your profile name, you know, the top line, not this line, but this line. This is your profile name. You're going to need to use it, and we paste it here. Then we scroll down, we click on settings here, and then we, in the left menu over here, we scroll down, we clicked on developer settings. In the left menu over here, we click on tokens classic. And in the middle here, we click on the button generate new token and generate new token classic. And we just give it a name, and it doesn't really matter what you call it, just as long as you can recognize it inside of yacss. Let me call it Super yacss. And expiration, you change that to no expiration. This means that the token will never expire. You only have to do this one time. And then you click on, just see what I wrote, click on repo, write packages, delete, admin. Let's see here, repo, write, delete, or public repo hook, yes. So now you're done. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 checkboxes you need to check. You click, scroll down, click generate token. So this token is only shown one time, and so you click here to copy it and you save it in your document here. And now you are done inside of GitHub. So you go to yacss, you click on Cloud Connectivity, scroll down, click on GitHub, click on Add New, select your clients, select your name. Let me call it Super yacss. It doesn't really matter as long as you can recognize it. Your username is the username that you copied. Copy. And your key is the secret key. So I copy this. Click Save. Now I'm done. So let me just test it. So I go to my websites. I made a wonderful test website that looks like this. It's so wonderful. So I click on the upload icon here. I click on GitHub. And I select my account, Super yacss. And I select my repository, or actually I create a new repository, SEO Denmark 4. Create, and click upload. And let's see, it shouldn't take long. And it worked. I got the green success message, uploaded successfully. So I can now copy this and inspect it. And here is the code. And now I am done. And I can now proceed to upload from GitHub to any clouds that I want to integrate into GitHub. Thank you.